G'day guys, it's Ben again here to bring you another video. This one is going to be looking at making the chicken walk. So the chicken walk is obviously a really important part of the chicken coop because it's how the chickens are going to get into the coop from the main sort of area, whether you call it a chicken tractor or a chicken run or whatever it might be, but you still need a way up into the coop itself. Ideally you need to try and make one which is going to be resistant to some of the sort of predators that are out there. Alright, so here's our chicken walk. I'm sure you've seen this in lots of other videos before. So this section here in between these two verticals is going to be the door into the chicken coop, which will be an automatic door. We'll be covering that shortly. And this one you see at a slight angle, which is obviously the same size 40mm PVC pressure pipe. And that's going to be my walk. So what I've decided to do is simply attach some scrap pieces of plywood onto that, and that's going to become my walk. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just simply drill those into place. Alrighty, check it out, that's pretty cool. There you go. So each of those steps is approximately 15 centimeters or 6 inches wide and 2.5 centimeters tall or 1 inch tall. So and there's about 5 centimeters between them, or 2 inches. And there you go guys, pretty simple, and it looks okay at the moment. So look, cheers for watching. Thanks a lot. Well, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button.
If you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please feel free to share this video with Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn.
Please leave a comment below. We're looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep safe.